Trying the new Jollibee chicken nuggets. I bought this from Foodpanda together with spaghetti and I got 150 pesos discount. This is 10 PCS with 2 sauces for 200 pesos. I forgot to change the second selection of sauce to sriracha, but BBQ sauce was good. Now let's check the nuggets. I think it has the same size with McDonald's chicken nuggets. Now dip it with BBQ sauce. For me, chicken nuggets alone is 8/10, BBQ sauce is 8/10, chicken nuggets dipped with BBQ sauce is 9/10. Try it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.